Jesus. And the heat press went off. Father God, help me. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. I am super duper excited because we're about to talk about how I made these sublimation dry erase boards, and y'all, it was a doozy. I was going through it, y'all, but we ended up making them. It seemed like it should have been an easy project. It was a hot mess, but just let me just show you. Let's jump into the video. Let go. Okay, dreamers, so I was gonna make this for myself, but I said let me make a video on it. I have these dry erase boards. This one is from the Dollar Tree. This one is from Condi. I ordered it literally 2 years ago and I never made anything with it. So I am going to show you the designs that I created inside of Canva, and I'm going to make me a couple dry erase boards, and we're gonna see if you can do it on the Dollar Tree one. And we know this one is sublimation, so we know this one will work. So I'm just going to show you that. I'll be using my Viver auto press, and I have to be careful because it gets hot more so in the middle of the plate. So that's something that I'm going to be mindful of. Let me show you real quick in Canva what I'm creating for Do Dream On, and then we'll get to seeing if it works. Okay, guys, so you know my Do Dream On logo by now. I do something called Do Dream On's Fave 5, where I write the 5 things that I do every day. So I'm busy, you busy, everybody busy. So what I do is I put the top 5 things that I have to do for every day on my Fave 5s. Like, I may have to do 2 things for myself, 2 things for Maddie, 1 thing for my business. I may have to do 2 things for my business, 2 things for Maddie, and then 1 thing for myself. But anywho, this is how I manage my day as well as time blocking. This helps me tremendously, and I share this a lot on my Instagram. So if you watch my Instagram, you probably saw this. And shout out to my auntie Christina, because she was like, you should make the clouds the 5 things that you do. So I have 5 clouds, and I put what I'm going to do for my day in those 5 clouds with my logo. And then I have Dreamy Quote of the Day with this really pretty pink sparkle. So I'm going to go ahead. Then I made another one. They have the sparkle on the edges. I'm not using that one. But these are what I'm going to be sublimating, printing them out. And I went ahead and, of course, used Silhouette Studio. I use my Sawgrass SG1000 print studio, and let's see how they look. Okay, so I printed them out, and I'm going to print this one on the sublimation one and this one on the Dollar Tree one, because I know that the sublimation one will work, and then this would be just on the sublimation one. I have a couple of them here, so we're just going to test it, try it out. And yeah, so I printed this out with, as you saw, my Sawgrass SG1000. Printed it out, and we're gonna go ahead and see if it works. And just because people may ask, the boards were approximately like 8.1 by 10.8, something like that. They were close to that. So I printed the actual sublimation paper out at 8.4 by 11.3 because you always have to have a larger sublimation paper than the substrates. And then what I also did was I had to print out the quote one on a larger 11 by 17 paper. I am doing it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Well, it's a little bit higher than 400 degrees, but for 400 degrees for 60 seconds, that might be too long, but for this one, but we still gonna see. I have one more of these if it burns it. So we just gonna see, y'all. All right, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so we are going to get the butcher paper and get to pressing. Okay, guys, so I'm going to lay my butcher paper down. With my heat press, I want to make sure this is aligned right so that I can make sure I'm putting it directly in the middle, so I can make sure it gets all the heat. I think we're going to do the dry erase board one first. I got this from the $1.25 tree, the Dollar Tree, a long time ago. Let me show you what it looks like. So it has a clip. I'm taking that clip off because that will melt. Hope the edges get to it. I've learned that the edges of these sometimes don't do it right. So we're going to flip it over. This look like this one a little bigger. So this, it might not be enough for this one. This might have to be bigger. This gotta be bigger. This one fits on here perfect. Is it perfect? I don't know. Okay, so as you see, it was a little too close for comfort. I needed it larger. So that's why I printed it by 11.4 and I needed 11 by 17 paper. Okay, so I have everything printed out. I am going to go ahead and do the dry erase from the Dollar Tree first. I will lint roll. People always ask why you lint roll. You lint roll so that you can get any lint or anything off, so it won't mess anything off, so it won't mess up your design. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. You want to make sure that your image is larger than your substrate. Oh my goodness, please be larger. I went through the flux. Okay, that's as good as we're going to get. We tight at the top and bottom, but the sides are good. So we got to make sure we tape it down so we could get all around it. So you want to be very careful with taping it down so that it can get the entire design. Okay, I always tell you to measure your own substrates. Okay, so make sure you measure them. So now I have it. I'm going to flip it over. Now remember, the middle of the heat press gets the most coverage. Okay, the middle of the heat press gets the hottest. So hopefully it'll be able to get all around this without messing up the edges. Because I have noticed that this heat press, you have to be careful if images are too big. So it's at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Hopefully it won't burn this up, okay? And hopefully it gets around the edges, because you just never know. All right, hopefully it didn't burn it too bad, because this is a lot of heat and this is from the Dollar Tree, so we don't know. So we're gonna see. I'm taking the butcher paper off, and then here is the moment of truth. Oh no, it didn't work. It did not work. Okay, so I should have laminated it. So it did not work. That's okay. We know it does not work. Okay. You can't just laminate. You can't just put it on there. You would have to laminate it. All right. So that was a fail. Let's keep it moving. I don't know why I thought I could do it without laminating it, but we learned today. So no, you cannot do it without laminating it. Let's keep it moving. So now we are going to take these. These are Sublimation dry erase boards. I got them from Condi like 2 years ago. I don't even think they have them on the website still, but that's where I got them from. So you do have to take, be careful. You don't want to mess nothing up. You do have to, you do have to take this off. Okay, you do want to lint roll. Your substrate. We are going to put this image on. Make sure it's completely covered up, okay? You want to make sure everything is inside of the design. You can see through it. You see? Need to bring this down some. Y'all, did y'all see that? Okay. So, just let it sit for a second. And take the butcher paper off. And we're going to see if this one works. Okay. Let's see. Oh no, it worked, but it looked like it moved. It ghosted a little bit. I think that's where it got stuck. So it worked, but it ghosted. So we might have to do this over because I don't like that. But it worked. I don't like that it stuck to the top. I might have to use my other heat press because I do not like that ghosting. Y'all, when I tell you I have been having the worst luck today with this project, but I'm just about to do it. It's supposed to be at 400. It's at 383. I can't even keep going back and forth with this. So we just about to press it and literally just hope for the best. I don't even know, but I have been having the worst luck today. And that's okay. It happens sometimes. So we are just, like I said, going to press this and hope for the best. I don't know if this is aligned right because I just want to get this project done because it is stressing me out. So we about to press. It's supposed to be at 400, but it's at 385 for 60 seconds. Oh, Lord. Oh, my gosh. Hold up. And that might have caused ghosting because it's stuck. Jesus. And the heat press went off. Father God, help me. Y'all, I don't know how long this was. I don't know what the temperature's on, but we're about to see if it works. It's one of them days. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. Y'all, I'm watching this days later, and I feel so bad for myself, y'all. This day was, ooh, it was bad for me. Oh, my goodness. I feel so bad. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. But we're going to keep going. Because we ain't got no choice, and we in the thick of it. So we might as well just finish it on out. And it's getting posted whether it's a fail or not, because that's life sometimes. Okay, so let's see if this one works. All right, and it actually worked regardless of the issues. The colors look nice. It's a real little bit of ghosting because I had that issue. But it's okay, because that's life and it happens sometimes. I must loosen it up. But this one is better ghosting than the other one. It's less ghosting than the other one. It's a little bit right there. But we could still do this. And we're going to do it. So, all right. We pushed through. And I made it. And let's see if we can do the other one or not. But I'm happy with it. It's a little, y'all know I can't stand imperfections. So it's a little bit of ghosting, but it's not a huge deal, but I can actually tell. So that's okay. But at least we did it. Is this recording? Oh, okay. I thought it wasn't recording. I was going to cry. Okay. Cool. Let's try to do the next one. All right. And we're going to just do this one as well, just to get it over it and move on with our day. It's at 3:53. I'm going to go ahead and just press it and see how it goes. Okay. To be honest, I'm not expecting this to look good because it's not even hot as it should be, but we're going to do it. I'm turning this on and we're going to see how it turns out. You never know. So let's just see, because you literally never know. Oh, it actually turned out good. I was not expecting for this to turn out good. It turned out really good. So that's always a plus, because today was, it ended up being a success, but This should not have taken this long, y'all. Y'all don't know all the stuff I've been going through. But at the end of the day, it is a success and this looks good. It looks good. I literally can't complain. It looks really good. Better than I thought. I did not think it was going to look this good. But I'm happy because, like I said, I've been going through the flux today. And this is wallpaper with the sawgrass. And, yeah, it actually turned out way better than I thought. So that is great. Because I was over here, I wouldn't go cry because it ain't that serious. But I was over here like, oh, man, come on, y'all. So, yeah. So that turns out super cute. So here's a dreamy quote. And here is Do Dream On's MY FAV. This is graduate font on Sassy Science Etsy shop. Super cute. And this was inside of Canva. But I made these inside of Canva really quick. Super cute. Absolutely love it. All right, y'all. Y'all, look how cute it turned out. Despite all the bad things, y'all, keep going, keep pushing. This one did not turn out right, but that's okay because this one did. Okay, y'all, we have a few things to take away. One, if you're going to use the Dollar Tree, make sure you laminate it first, then sublimate on it. Second, make sure that you have the correct adjusting for your heat press that you're going to be using, the correct temperature, and don't give up. You guys, what if I just would have gave up? Y'all don't even know all the stuff that happened off camera this day. But we pushed through and we made a way. And these turned out super cute. I actually have some orders from social media because I've already been posting them. So they're not on that old website, so I got to find them. But keep going, keep pushing, and do dream on. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dreamer is the handle. TikTok, Do Dreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. And please make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. We are on our journey, our road to 100K YouTube subscribers, and I would love for you to be a part of it. So please, before you leave, click subscribe. Okay, now, bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.